Hello, hello friends. It's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and it is time for another Mornings with Danny. Today is Tuesday, so we're going to have a Tag Tuesday. If you're new to my channel, you might want to check out the playlist that's linked below that I did a tag a day in November, and I had so much fun. So I'm going to be doing Tag Tuesday here and there because I just found out that I really enjoy making tags. In front of me is all the goodies that I used to create today's tags. Got some honeybee Hugs and Kisses gem stickers. I got the My Favorite Things Eat Lots of Cake stamp set. Oops, can't hold on to it. It's super, super fun and adorable. I have the My Favorite Things fold-up tags. I believe these are new since the last tag video that I did. I think these are quickly becoming one of my favorite die sets for tags. You have the base here, and then you have 3 different types, and then they fold up. It already has the score line there. Super fun. Again, quickly becoming one of my favorites. I used a Wink of Stella pen. I used some Tranquil Tide Stampin' Up! Ink. I used some Stitched Shapes Framelets dies from Stampin' Up! And I used the Happy Cake Day 12 by 12 Hot Buy Pad from Michaels and Rick Collections. On to my cute tags for today. First up is this little bear. So adorable. And then you lift it up and it says Wish Big. How fun is that? The back is just cardstock, added some ribbon, but wish big. So there's my little bear. And then I used the little elephant. And again, I just put the wish big on the inside. I'm seeing now that his little hat gets kind of messed up when you do that. I need to think that through next time, but still adorable. And then the last one that I made for today has the little rabbit with the gift. And again, just that wish big on the inside. So there are 3 tags that I did today for Tag Tuesday. Excuse me. I think they turned out super cute, and I love that die. As always, everything that is available will be linked in the description box below. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And until my next video, go have an awesome day and go do something crafty. Bye.